Did you know by not doing this one simple thing when you set up a power of attorney for your loved one, you could be in for a world of grief, aggravation, frustration, and anxiety? Hi, I'm Lisa Perry Smith, and I'm with Century 21 Country Lake Homes, and this recently happened to two of my sellers, so I wanted to pass this information along to you. It's not necessarily 100% real estate related, but it does tie into it. So what happens is you have a power of attorney and you only have one done, and then you have a real estate transaction. Now that transaction, the deed has to go along with the original power of attorney to the courthouse. Now, depending on the county and the courthouse, that can take anywhere from like 1 week up to maybe 6 weeks to get the power of attorney back to you. You've got one power of attorney. That's a problem. Your attorney may need it, the medical providers may need it, and it's stuck in the courthouse. What do you do? So when you set up your power of attorney, it's simple. Get multiple copies signed. It doesn't cost any more. Instead of signing one document, you'll sign multiple. I have about 4 for my dad, and thankfully my dad's in good shape, but we have one set up just in case. So there's one that's in the attorney's office. There's one that's at my sister's house. There's one that's at my house, and there's one that's in my safety deposit box. And there I have another one too that's just laying around at my house. So that way, if I need a power of attorney, an original for 2 different people at the same time, then I'm completely covered. I forgot to add this one thing. If your loved one is incapacitated and they're unable to sign an additional copy or copies of the power of attorney, then what you need to do when you take your deed down to the office, the recorder of deeds, ask them to get you a certified true copy of the power of attorney. That'll act as the original until the original does come back. And as I mentioned before, depending on the county, it could take 6 to 8 weeks to get that original power of attorney back. So what you want to do is have something else in place just in case it's needed for a financial institution, an attorney, medical issues. You'll have something where you can get things rolling right away versus waiting another 5-6 weeks for something to come back in the mail. So I'm not an attorney. This is not meant to be legal advice. This is just life advice that happened recently, and I wanted to pass it along to you. If you have any more questions, not so much about power of attorneys or setting it up, but anything real estate related, don't hesitate to call me, Lisa Perry Smith, Century 21 Country Lake Homes, serving, selling, and loving it here in the Pocono Mountains.